Hi, this is Dan with Learn and Smoke, and today we are cooking with Cowboy. And if you haven't smoked your Chex Mix, then you are not living. So what we're gonna do here is make the Chex Mix and put it on the smoker at 250 degrees for an hour, and we're gonna have a nice savory treat that's good for the holidays or any day, really. So your classic Chex Mix is gonna involve a few different types of Chex. We got rice Chex, corn Chex, as well as wheat Chex. And then it's also gonna involve some other things like pretzels, some nuts in there too. We're mixing it up a little bit. We're throwing in some bagel crisp. We're also throwing in some Cheez-Its too. And then we're gonna add some smoke flavor, which totally mixes it up and makes it the best Chex Mix you're ever gonna have. And we mix all these ingredients together, and magically enough, I happen to have them all together here in this bucket. And so what I'm gonna do here is pour this into this mixing bowl. I'm gonna take some butter here. Got some Worcestershire sauce. Got some onion powder, garlic powder, and some of our favorite rub. And now we're gonna mix the ingredients together here. You wanna be gentle when you mix this up because we have Chex in here, and Chex are pretty fragile. So don't violently stir it, but just gently stir it around and try to get some even coating there of butter and the Worcestershire sauce. Well, I think that's looking good. So now the next step is gonna be to pour this onto the pan and spread that out evenly. There we go. Now this is where the magic happens with the Chex Mix. We're gonna put it on the grill and get that smoke flavor going. This grill is preset to 250 degrees. We'll let that smoke for an hour. All right, so the Chex Mix is on the smoker at 250 degrees, and we're using the Cowboy pellets here with the charcoal and applewood flavor. I wish you could smell through the camera because it smells so good. So your traditional Chex Mix is good, but smoked Chex Mix takes it to a whole new level. You can find this recipe and more at cowboycharcoal.com. And until next week, keep cooking with Cowboy.